Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download GTA Vice City in your PC or laptop. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on my laptop. Now, the best way to download GTA Vice City, there are a number of ways, but the one that I would recommend is go through Steam. And I'm already here at Steam and I'm already inside my account. So what you're gonna do is purchase a game. And as you can see, I'm already here at Steam. So what you're gonna do is go here on the search box and type Grand Theft Auto Vice City. Now, we're already here in the Grand Theft Auto Vice City. So this game may contain content that not appropriate for all ages. So you should enter your birth date to continue. So I'm just giving random date here. And then just view page. Now, it's going to take you across this page, and if you actually scroll down, you can add this to cart. Now, this is currently available as part of the definitive edition. So, the definitive edition actually includes free items as you can see here. So, this is the system requirements. You can just read this. Now, what you need to do is, as you can see, this is the price. And just press the add to cart. Then, you can purchase this for yourself or purchase it as a gift. So just select one to continue to check out. Now there will be the payment method. So you just choose whichever you can pay and just press continue. Now after you purchase it on Steam, what do you do next is go to the library. So if you already purchased the game, it will go redirectly here. And what you're gonna do is just install the Vice City on your PC. And you can now play the Grand Theft Auto Vice City once you installed it. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!